2026 Cadillac Vistiq First Look, sharp all-electric three-row family SUV. Slotting between the smaller LYRIQ and bigger Escalade IQ, the Vistiq aims to combine luxury with versatility. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. The 2026 Cadillac Vistiq is a three-row electric SUV that slots between the LYRIQ and Escalade IQ. Its design features a backlit panel in place of a traditional grille, vertical headlights, and horizontal accent lights. The Vistiq's profile is sleek with a tapered look and geometric strakes inspired by Piet Mondrian. The Vistiq boasts a dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain, delivering 615 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. In Velocity Max mode, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. A 102 kilowatt-hour battery offers approximately 300 miles of range, with bidirectional charging capabilities. Inside, the Vistiq features a 33-inch digital dashboard display, Google integration, and separate climate control touchscreens. The second row offers a bench or captain's chairs, while the third row includes leather seats, air vents, and USB-C ports. Cargo space is ample, though there's no front trunk. Standard features include 5-zone climate control, a 23-speaker audio system, and Super Cruise. All 2026 Vistiq models will come equipped with an impressive set of standard features. Even in entry-level luxury and sport trims, amenities include 5-zone automatic climate control, a 23-speaker AKG premium audio system, a dual-panel glass roof, a digital rearview mirror, and heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats. The premium luxury trim adds adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering. The top-tier Platinum trim offers unique lighting and Brembo brakes. Starting at $78,790, production begins in spring 2025. The Cadillac Vistiq enters a competitive electric SUV market, offering luxury and performance. With its distinctive design and advanced features, it aims to stand out among rivals like the Kia EV9 and Rivian R1S. Vistiq production begins in early 2025 at General Motors Spring Hill, Tennessee, manufacturing facility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.